welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most anticipated electric cars of 2025, the MG ZSF. In this video, we'll break down all its major components, features, and the pricing structure to help you decide if this smart, affordable F is worth your money. Exterior design A0:30A120. Let's start with the design. The 2025 MG ZSF gets a refined facelift this year. It features a closed grille with a new MG logo, redesigned LED headlamps with DRLs, and a more aerodynamic front bumper. You'll also notice sleeker alloy wheels are now 17 inches and a slightly revised rear with full LED tail lamps. It's not revolutionary, but it's a clean and modern update to a popular design. Interior and comfort A1:28-220. Inside, the cabin feels more premium than ever. A new 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is sharp and customizable. The top trims come with leatherette upholstery, panoramic sunroof, wireless charging, and even a PM2.5 air filter. Cabin space remains practical, with 448 liters of boot space and ample legroom in the back. Performance A2:28-330. Under the hood, or rather, under the floor, the ZSF packs a 50.3 kWh battery pack, delivering a claimed range of 461 km on a single charge. The electric motor produces 176 horsepower and 280 Nm of torque, propelling the car from 0 to 100 km/h in just 8.5 seconds. 3 driving modes: Eco, Normal, and Sport let you adjust throttle response to suit your style. Regenerative braking is also adjustable in 3 levels for efficiency tuning. Charging options: A3:30A415. Charging is flexible. With a 7.4 kW AC home charger, you'll go from 0 to 100% in about 8.5 hours. A 50 kW DC fast charger juices up the battery from 0 to 80% in around 60 minutes. The ZSF also supports vehicle-to-load (V2L) in some markets, letting you power small appliances directly from the car. Tech safety features: A4:15A515. MG has packed the ZSF with smart tech. MG Smart Connectivity gives you remote control features like AC on, off, live location tracking, and OTA updates. In terms of safety, you get 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, ESP, hill start assist, hill descent control, a 360-degree camera, and level 2 ADAS in the top variant, offering lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and automatic emergency braking. Variants pricing: A5:15A630. The 2025 MG ZSF is offered in 3 main variants. Excite A Superscript 122.88 lakh, ex-showroom. Exclusive A Superscript 124.98 lakh. Exclusive Pro A Superscript 126.99 lakh. Each variant adds incremental features. The Excite is well equipped for its price, but the Exclusive Pro gives you ADAS, larger infotainment, V2L functionality, and ventilated seats. MG also offers a standard 8-year/160,000 kilometers warranty on the battery. Ownership costs A6:30A715. Electric vehicles like the ZSF shine when it comes to running costs. Expect to spend A superscript 10.90 to A superscript 11.20 per km depending on electricity rates. Maintenance is also cheaper compared to ICE cars, thanks to fewer moving parts and longer service intervals. MG offers service packages that further bring down ownership costs. Final thoughts A7:15A 8 o'clock. The 2025 MG ZSF is a solid all-rounder, stylish, efficient, tech-savvy, and competitively priced. It's ideal for city commutes, weekend getaways, and environmentally conscious buyers looking to switch to electric without breaking the bank. If you're considering an F under A superscript 130 lakh, the ZSF absolutely deserves a test drive. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new MG ZSF. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more F reviews and updates.